we're gonna open, Besh. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Whoa. Whoa. Ooh.
Oh, nice. What is that?
It's a turbo launcher.
This one.
I don't know this.
Let's try it later.
Yeah. Let's see that.
Oh, this.
And look, there's
Yeah.
3 parts.
What's this?
I don't know.
Oh my.
And there's
Oh,
some-
nice.
and
What's
there's
this?
and there's other one. What is that?
Yeah.
There's a letter A, letter B, letter C, and whoa, whoa, nice.
Let's try it later.
Oh, it's a portal. I think so. There's a orange and red. Cool. Whoa, there's
So many.
yeah,
Do
right.
you know how to assemble that?
No. Whoa, there's another one and a bucket. There's
Is there any instruction inside?
Yes.
but first
And Messi?
we have
This
we,
one, this
we
one.
have last one. We
Oh, Ate Joy, there's
have a last one.
a last one.
Okay.
I got it.
There's a scissor.
Do you need a scissor, Ate Joy? Let me show that. Show it to me, anak. What's that?
Huh?
What's
This
that?
is a building. It's a building.
How you're going to build.
Whoa.
Wow, there's a
There
car
has-
inside.
But there's a rubber band.
A rubber band. Cat.
Whoa. I think his name is Prototype H24.
Let's set up, guys.
But let's remove this.
You know how to build the
Uh,
triple kit?
we need to help, right?
Oh.
Yes.
What's this?
It's a
Okay.
And the car is cool.
Wow, cool car.
But
Okay, while fixing the...
let's build it.
Okay, so let me show this. So you're gonna build that.
Yeah.
Look like this. Okay?
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, go. First,
But
we need to
first,
find this one
Mm-hmm.
and this one. our instruction.
Okay.
Here. First.
And we have 4 orange fruit. Right?
Yes, wait a minute. We're gonna like this.
And that.
Wait a minute. This one.
And this one.
Yes, this one.
But no, I think that one.
Yes. Nice.
And the second. But first I'm gonna build this.
Okay.
Gusto ko naman yung boses mo.
What are you doing, Case?
I'm building a
The launcher?
yeah.
Oh, I see. How about you, Ate Joy? What are you doing?
I'm building this one.
Okay.
And we need
4 like this 4 here.
and we have a bucket to
Case?
the car.
Where's the ano?
Yeah. The one, the next one. Oh, right. There's one and
This
two.
one, this one.
Oh, okay. Let's build it.
Yes. We're gonna put
I
this.
build it.
You have a launcher.
Yeah, I build it. I build myself that.
Oh yeah. But you have a launcher. We bought that
You bought?
yeah, before.
Whoa. I bought
Do
that.
you remember the white one?
Yeah.
Oh.
And I have a new one.
So you're helping each other how to build the
Yeah.
loop truck. The
Yeah.
triple loop truck.
Triple of kit.
Wow. You're helping Ate Joy?
Yes.
Later.
Oh, okay. Let's put it this.
Yeah. One by one.
One by one.
Oh, wow, Ate Joy.
You are cool.
You're cool.
And we need to stop here.
So big.
And we
Wow,
need to
it's
stop. But we need we have
Ah, okay. You need that to connect.
to
Dito
connect
connect, oh.
the track.
Wow.
Gonna put this one.
I need a little help.
Okay.
I think here. Whoa. And let's. Oops. Sorry.
Okay. It's fine.
Nice. And we need this.
This one.
But we need to. But first we need to
Wait, this one more.
and then click this. And that's put here. Right?
Yes.
And we need to put the top. That's right. And we need the other one.
Wait, this may gonna.
Oh, yeah. in here. Oh, that's it. That's it. And click. Yeah, we need an orange. Here and here, right?
Yes, of course.
And we need a strap. And we need some loop. And we need to jump this. And there we go. Perfect.
Let's try.
Wow.
And let's try it with a car. Woo!
Can you try it? You did it?
Yes, we did it.
Yeah. What?
Gonna put this one.
I need a little help.
Okay.
I think here. Whoa. And let's. Oops. Sorry.
Okay. It's fine.
Nice. And we need this,
This one.
but we need to. But first we need to
Wait, this one more.
and then click this. And that's here. Right?
Yes.
And we need to put the top. That's right. And we need the other one.
This made up.
Oh, yeah. And let's put in here. Oh, that's it. That's it. And click. Yeah, we need an orange. Here and here, right?
Yes, of course.
And we need a strap. And we need some loop. And we need to jump this. And there we go. Perfect.
Let's try.
Wow.
And let's try it.
Almost done, Besh.
Yes, we did it. So let's try the car. The name is Troubleshooting H24. Let's try it in the triple up kit. Oops.
You try again.
Yeah.
Whoa.
It's not go in the bucket. Let's try it again.
Okay.
Nope.
Whoa.
It's so fast.
You're gonna try.
Okay.
Whoa.
Nice.
Under drive.
Under drive.
Oops.
Oops. It's falling.
Sobra. Huwag mo sa lakasan.
Whoops.
You try again.
Sobra, lakas ka.
Oh!
It's
nice. That's nice. How about next?
The next is RT10 RD.
How
Try
about
again.
Ali Joy? Can you try it?
Let's try it. I'm gonna try it again.
Okay.
Woo!
So next is Ate Joy.
I'm gonna try to.
Oh.
This
I
RT10.
think that's too heavy.
I think so. Let's try again.
Oh.
When you see fast. And let's try again.
Oops. Okay.
And
It's
then
your turn, Ate Joy.
I'm gonna try to.
It's Ali Joy turn.
RT.
Whoa.
And I'm gonna try this. The
Oh, it's Ate Joy.
4G.
Oops.
It's close one.
Can I try to?
Yeah.
Oops.
Let's try this.
Oh no. Try again.
Yeah. Let's try again.
Oops. Okay.
Whoops.
Try again.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
Perfect.
Shoot. It means they go faster.
Oops.
The Hypertruck is not fast at all. Faster. Try this. Let's try.
Wow.
The shoot 3.
Oh no.
Let's try this. Whoops. Try this one. Whoops. Try this. Whoops. I'm stuck here. Whoops. That car is too heavy. Let's try again.
It's too heavy. How about Ate Joy? Can you try Ate Joy? I know you want to play Ate Joy.
Yes, I want to.
Oh.
Just a minute, please.
You can try again, Ate Joy. Wow!
You scored. Me too, me too, me too. No, me too. 3, 2, 1, go.
Wow.
Let's try again. 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay.
Shoot. And then last one.
Shoot.
Not shoot. Let's
Oops.
It's really too heavy. When you need this
Joy.
RD10, that car is so heavy. Oh!
Why?
Shoot! The next one is Hypertruck.
Oh.
I'm gonna try to. This one.
Wow.
They're crashing cars. Me and go.
Oops. Too fast.
Yeah, it's too fast. Let's try again. Oh!
Wow.
This car-
Let me see how many cars inside.
6
Wow.
cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Wow, so
Yeah.
nice, so
And
beautiful.
let's try this.
Okay.
So we build the tree, looks, and we're gonna build a gravity drop. First we need a long track,
Okay.
and a second one. We need this. look, and we need to go to the long track. It's not right. I'm gonna show you. So we need this, okay? And we need to go here. And so we need this, then lock. Look, and
Let's put this.
let's put this.
Let's
Then
try.
first, let's try this one. Wait, just a minute, Okay, ready and go. Oh, your shoot. Let's try this one. No.
Let's try another one.
Or we need this. I think we need this. Oh, it's shoot. And let's remove now. So we need to remove this. Let's go here. But we're gonna build a track. But we need this and this. Okay. So
This one.
is that it's called the Daredevil jump. It's
Daredevil jump.
yes, it's so really hard. Look, and we need this. Yes,
This one.
oh, we need first the long track,
Okay.
and we need a short track. And we need this thing here. But there's a missing.
This one.
It's not that. We need this. That one. Yes, I found it. And let's try. It's so really hard. Oh,
It's really hard.
yeah. It's so really hard.
Let's try again.
Nope. 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 No. It's so really hard.
Yeah, let's try again.
John.
Oh, we have cards. Oh, let's try this.
Oh, this one.
Let's try. Oh, it's
Oh,
really
nice.
short. Oh, it's not short. So let's back to normal. First, we need the launcher put it here.
Okay.
But it's so stuck, but I can't do it. Yeah. And the second one, we need this.
Okay.
And and let's click it. And let's put it here. In the secret one, right?
Wow, there has a secret.
Yes. I found it. And I need
This one.
we need let's remove the cards.
Okay.
And we need this to go to the pocket.
This one. Where do you put this?
Nope.
No.
There's another secret.
Where? Oh, nice.
And
This one.
this one we need first is the small one, right? And the and
Big.
bigger one.
Nice.
But we need two.
Oh, nice.
And this go to
Where?
this.
Okay.
And
Nice.
it's done.
Easy to handle.
Yes.
And
bye. I hope you like this Triple Love Kit. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel now.